Discover an effective strategy to make over 100K from faceless Instagram accounts. Learn how to go viral and generate a sustainable passive income stream. This method is simple, doesn't require massive investments, and is proven to work. We'll guide you through setting up an account, creating engaging content, and staying ahead of Instagram's updates. This strategy can be tailored to your needs, whether you're an entrepreneur or seeking a side hustle. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly are faceless Instagram accounts? Traditional Instagram accounts often serve as a platform for users to showcase their lifestyle, achievements, and personal interests. However, faceless ones deviate from this norm. As the term suggests, faceless implies the absence of the identity tied to the account. This allows users to keep their identity under the wraps, steering clear of the typical self-promotion or personal branding that's the norm on Instagram. Now that you understand the concept, it's time to choose your niche. Whether it's fitness, fashion, lifestyle, or even memes, finding a niche that resonates with your target audience is crucial. Once you've chosen your niche, focus on creating high-quality, shareable content that adds value to your followers' lives. Remember, consistency is key. A successful content creator understands their audience, knowing what will attract and keep them engaged. Essentially, your niche should be a perfect blend of your interests and the interests of your target audience. Now, once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to focus on crafting high-quality content. This should be content that not only entertains but adds value to your followers' lives. You want to create content that your audience will find useful, interesting, and shareable. Whether it's a blog post, an infographic, or a video tutorial, it should be something that your followers find meaningful. However, remember that finding a niche and creating quality content isn't a one-time affair. It's a continuous process. The online world is ever evolving, and so are the interests of the audience. Therefore, you need to consistently keep up with the changes, always coming up with fresh and engaging content. In the ever-evolving world of social media, creating visually stunning and engaging content is essential for capturing the attention of audiences on platforms like Instagram. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, choosing the right editing programs can make all the difference in bringing your vision to life. So let's explore some of the best editing programs for making videos and posts for Instagram. The first one is Adobe Premiere Pro. As one of the most widely used professional video editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro offers a comprehensive suite of tools for editing videos of all lengths and styles. With features like advanced color grading, motion graphics templates, and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, Premiere Pro is a favorite among filmmakers, YouTubers, and Instagram content creators alike. Its intuitive interface and powerful editing capabilities make it an excellent choice for creating polished and professional-looking videos for Instagram. The second one is CapCut. CapCut is your go-to tool for making awesome videos without the fuss. With its simple interface and handy features, even beginners can create stunning edits in no time. Just pick your clips, add some fun effects, and voila! You've got a masterpiece ready to share with the world, so why not give CapCut a try and let your creativity shine? The third one is Adobe Photoshop. When it comes to editing photos for Instagram, Adobe Photoshop reigns supreme as the industry standard for professional image editing. With powerful tools for retouching, compositing, and manipulating images, Photoshop allows creators to unleash their creativity and transform ordinary photos into stunning works of art. Whether you're enhancing portraits, creating eye-catching graphics, or designing engaging carousel posts, Photoshop offers endless possibilities for elevating your Instagram feed. The fourth one is Canva. For those who prefer a more user-friendly and accessible editing platform, Canva is a fantastic option for creating visually appealing graphics and designs for Instagram. With a wide range of customizable templates, fonts, and graphics, Canva makes it easy for anyone to design professional-looking posts, stories, and cover images in just a few clicks. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing a quote, or announcing a giveaway, Canva offers the tools you need to make your Instagram content stand out. Choosing the right editing programs can significantly impact the quality and effectiveness of your Instagram content. Whether you're editing videos with Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro X, retouching photos with Adobe Photoshop, or designing graphics with Canva, finding the right tools that align with your creative vision and technical skills is essential for creating captivating content that resonates with your audience on Instagram. So, experiment with different editing programs, unleash your creativity, and watch your Instagram presence flourish. Going viral on Instagram. The first step to going viral on Instagram is understanding your audience. With faceless accounts, your content becomes the focal point, so it's crucial to create content that resonates with your target audience. Take the time to research your niche, identify key demographics, and understand what type of content they engage with the most. Create compelling content. Content is king on Instagram, and creating compelling content is essential to going viral. With faceless accounts, you have the freedom to experiment with different types of content, from captivating visuals to thought-provoking captions. Focus on creating content that is visually appealing, emotionally resonant, and shareable. Remember, quality trumps quantity, so invest time and effort into crafting each post. Utilize trending hashtags and captions. Hashtags are powerful tools for increasing your reach on Instagram, and leveraging trending hashtags can help boost your visibility. Keep an eye on trending topics and hashtags within your niche, and incorporate them into your posts where relevant. Additionally, crafting attention-grabbing captions can further enhance engagement and encourage users to interact with your content. Engage with your audience. Engagement is key to building a loyal following and increasing your chances of going viral. Take the time to respond to comments, like and share user-generated content, and actively engage with your audience. By fostering a sense of community and connection, you can encourage users to become advocates for your brand and help amplify your reach. Collaborate with influencers and brands. Collaboration is a powerful strategy for increasing your reach and gaining exposure on Instagram. Partnering with influencers and brands within your niche can help introduce your account to new audiences and boost your credibility. Look for opportunities to collaborate on sponsored posts, giveaways, or co-created content that aligns with your brand and resonates with your audience. Stay consistent and authentic. Consistency is key to building a successful presence on Instagram, and maintaining a consistent posting schedule can help keep your audience engaged and invested in your content. Additionally, authenticity is essential to building trust and credibility with your audience. Stay true to your brand voice and values, and avoid the temptation to chase trends or compromise your integrity for the sake of going viral. Last but not the least, sometimes the best strategies are born out of unconventional thinking. The Instagram platform is all about creativity and innovation, giving you the freedom to experiment with different ideas and themes. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. So, to go viral on Instagram, it's not just about luck, but about smartly utilizing the right strategies and resources at your disposal. Experiment with different content formats, engage with your audience, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Now, let's talk about the best part: making money. After you've put in the hard work, perfected your online strategy, and have gathered an enthusiastic, engaged base of followers, it's time to transform Instagram presence into a lucrative opportunity. The journey to monetization can seem daunting, but it's a well-trodden path, and by using tried and tested methods, you can turn your Instagram into a steady stream of revenue. This isn't an overnight success story, but rather a steady ascent, where each step you take can contribute to a higher overall income. One way to earn money is by creating sponsored posts. Companies are always on the lookout for social media influencers who can give their product or service some visibility. Just remember, always partner with brands that align with your values and aesthetic to maintain authenticity. Affiliate marketing is another way to generate income. This involves promoting a product or service on your feed and earning a commission each time someone purchases through your unique link. You don't need to stock products or handle customer service. You simply promote and earn. Selling digital products like ebooks, webinars, or photography is also a potential income stream. Your followers value your content, so offering something exclusive can be a successful strategy. There are also online courses. If you're an expert in your field, why not package your knowledge into an online course? This can be a significant source of income, especially if you have a large following. The key is to diversify your income streams and leverage your influence to maximize your earnings. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to making over 100K from faceless Instagram accounts. So go ahead and start your journey on Instagram. Be patient, be consistent, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.